this video, I will show you how you can get a $10 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. Alright, and in this video, I will also talk about the terms and conditions required for you to be able to withdraw from this bonus, and also I will show you every single thing you need to know about this particular bonus. But before I continue, I need to tell you guys this. I'm on a journey of showing you guys how you can make money online in 2025, and I'll be posting consistently for the next 30 days. I'll be dropping a video every single day on how you can make money online, and if you check my previous videos, you'll see that I've been consistent in doing this. And many of you might want to be a part of us, a part of this project. If you want to be a part of this project, what you have to do is very simple. All you need to do is to click on the subscription button so that you can stay alert, and also join my Telegram channel, because that is where I usually drop updates every single day before I come to you to come and share it with you guys. Alright, so if you have done that, that means you are part of us now, and whenever I drop update, you'll be notified. Alright, and get the link to my Telegram channel in the description. Just click on it to join my Telegram channel. Alright, so proceeding to how you can get this $10 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. Let's proceed. To get the link to this particular website will be in the description as well. Click on it. It will direct you to my Telegram channel. Right there is where you find the link, and after getting the link, you click on it and it's going to direct you to their platform, which looks something like this. Alright, so it looks like this, and after getting here, there are different bonus there are different offer that this platform is offering us. They're offering us a bonus of $100, and they're offering a no deposit bonus of $10. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is a $10 no deposit bonus, and to get it is absolutely free. Alright, as you can see right here, it is absolutely free. Alright, so to get it, you have to register an account with them first. So just click on get bonus right here. You have to register an account with them. So right here, you just click on create account, create new account. Alright, click on create new account. You create as individual, and right here is where you have to input all your details. You have to input your password, alright, your email address, your name, and after that you click on you agree right here, and then you click on send OTP for you to confirm your email address. Alright, let me do this very quickly and get back to the video. So this is me after inputting all the required information. So I'll just click on send OTP right here. So I'm waiting for an OTP that has been sent to my email. Alright, so after inputting the OTP right here, I'll just click on create account. Alright, and I'll wait patiently for it to load. Alright, as you can see, registration success. All I have to do right now is to log into my account that has been created successfully. So this is my account right here. This is my account, the account that I just created, and this is my account details, everything I need to know about my account. This is it right here. Alright, so let's proceed to how you can get this bonus. Let's proceed. And before I proceed to show you how you can get this bonus, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do me a favor by liking this video, sharing with your friends, and commenting the country where you're watching from, so that I can keep making videos for your country. Alright, and so that YouTube can recommend this video to others that might need to watch it. And most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be motivated to drop more videos for you guys. Right, and so that you can also benefit by learning how you can make money online in 2025. If you have done that, I appreciate you a lot. Right, now moving to how you can get this bonus. What you have to do next is to verify your account on this platform, and to verify your account is very simple. It will only take a few minutes for you to verify your account. So follow me closely as I show you how you can do this. Alright, so all you have to do is to click on this menu button right here. Click on it, and this is going to pop up. This is everything you need to know about this. So this is their support. You can message their support right here. Right now, to verify your account, all you just have to do is to click on profile. click on profile, and this is going to pop up. Then you click on profile and verification. All right, so this is it right here. This is what you need to know. This is how you can verify your profile. All right, so you just, this identity verification, your ID, your driver's license, your residence verification, where you can upload your documents right here too. So I will be doing this very quickly, and I will get back to the video right now. So before you start uploading your details, all you have to do right here is to edit this your personal information right here and make sure it is correct. All right, make sure it is tallying with the same information that is on the ID you are going to be using to verify your profile. And to edit your personal information, just click on edit right here on the same home page of your profile verification. All right, so this is me right here. After uploading every single details, I just have to wait patiently for them to verify. As you can see, it is currently bringing pending. I just have to wait for them to verify my profile, and after then I can now proceed to getting the bonus. All right, so now while still waiting for our account to get verified, let me quickly show you how you can get this no deposit bonus. All right, so you have to do is to click on this menu button again, click on it, and you click on wallet right here. You click on wallet, and after that you go and create an account with them by clicking on MT5 account right here. And after clicking on MT5 account, you click on create account. This is it right here, showing right here. Click on create accounts, and you click on create live account. So right here is where you have to input the details of the account you are creating. So right here in account type, you click on this no deposit bonus right here, and right here in leverage you can select the highest, and the currency you'll be selecting is USDT. That's the default USD, and then you click on next step. So right here you have to input your password. You have to set your password. All right, set your password. All right, so the password you are inputting right now will be the password to log into your MT5. All right, so click on this right here to take you to the next step. Right, as you can see, MT5 creates and enabled successfully. All right, so right now we just have to go to our account, and as you can see right here, it has been created successfully, but the bonus is not there yet. And that the reason is because our profile has not been verified. Once our profile is verified, it will be showing right here in this platform, all right, that we've gotten our $10 no deposit bonus. All right, so if we head over to our Gmail right now, we'll find the details that we are going to use to log into our MT5. We are going to find it right there that we can use to start trading. And if you don't want to go to your Gmail, then this right here, showing right here, is your login ID, and the password you created is the password you'll be needing to log into your MT5. All right, let me show you how you can do this very quickly in this video. All right, so this is me in my MT5, and the name of the server is United International Trading Co.Limited. So this is it right here. This is it showing on the screen. All right, this is it right here. So you just click on it, and right here you select real. All right, select real. We are dealing with a real account right here, not a demo account. Select real account, and you input your login ID right here, and then the password you created when creating an account. All right, so this is me after inputting all the details. All I have to do right now is to click on login right here, and I'll wait patiently for it to load. All right, so I have been able to sign into my MT5 right now, and I just have to wait to get credited after my profile has been verified. All right, so once my profile has been verified, then I'll be credited right here in this wallet, and I can start trading with the account. All right, since you were able to select a no deposit bonus account while creating your account, that definitely means you'll be able to get your bonus. All right, so I hope you're able to get this, and after I've gotten my account, I'll be sharing it on my Telegram channel. All right, I'll be sharing it right there so that you can know that this platform is real and legit. All right, I hope you're able to get this, and if you are not able to get it, let me know what's stopping you in the comment section so that I can know where I can assist you. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also join my Telegram channel because I'm on a 30 days challenge of showing you guys how you can make money online in 2025. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.